Commander Robert H. Eastman III. Commander Robert H. Eastman III graduated from the U.S. Merchant Marine Academy in Kings Point, New York. He was a naval officer with 7 deployments to the Middle East, Italy, and Japan. He also worked at the Pentagon and the Joint Chiefs of Staff Office. He was the commanding officer of VAQ-134 Station at Naval Air Station at Weedley Island. He accumulated over 3,000 flight hours and over 500 carrier arrest landings. Throughout his naval career, he earned many medals. He loved his country and the men and women he served with.